Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how you can swap ZRX tokens to USDT on Trust Wallet.
So before losing time, let's start our video. First of all, you should open your Trust Wallet and then log into your account if you already have. Now friends, on the home page, search for ZRX. If you find it, then just click on it. Or if you don't find it, then go to search bar from the top and search for ZRX. Now friends, here it is on the top, so click on it. Now friends, here you can see that there is no direct sale option available on this page. So go to your home page again and click on discover option from the bottom. Now go to its search bar and search for Uniswap. Now friends, you can see that it will bring you to this official Uniswap page where you can sell or buy your tokens. But first of all, if you are new on this website, then you will see the option of connect on the top. So click it and connect your wallet with this website first. Now go to the sales section and here click on the token that is automatically selected. Now go to its search bar and search for ZRX. Now friends, here it is on the top, so click on. Now go to the buy section and here click on select token option. Now go to its search bar and search for the token that you want as output. So I want USDT as output, so I have searched USDT. Now friends, go to the sale section again and write the amount of ZRX coins that you want to sell. And in the second section you will see the total amount of USDT that you get after conversion. So after it, click on swap option from the bottom. Now friends, follow your on screen instructions to get your USDT in your account. So if you like our video, then click on like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.